Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 245 music tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Forerunner 245 music with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. So the first thing we need to do is actually put our Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode. And that's usually done by holding down the power button until you see the LED light either blinking red and blue or just blinking rapidly like that. So we're in pairing mode now. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, simply hold down the up button on the Forerunner 245. Scroll down until you see music. Select music using the start and stop button. Scroll down until you see headphones, select that, and then select add new. Now you want to make sure that in that time your headphones have not gone out of pairing mode. Sometimes they'll time out, but if they're still blinking rapidly, that means they're still in pairing mode and they should be found. As you can see, they were just found. The Anchor soundbuds curve were just found by the 245. So now just to add it, all I need to do is select add, and it'll begin the process of pairing, and now it's paired. And real quick, while it's paired, I just want to show you that if you select into the headphones, you can also see the status. You can disconnect to them by selecting this. It turns off that connection. You can also check out more information by selecting about, change the name that's saved in the Garmin Forerunner 245 music, and then finally actually remove these from your watch and unpair them. So that's how you pair your Garmin Forerunner 245 music with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 245 music tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.